Today we will talk about the structure of the reamer. This is a monolithic reamer. A reamer is generally divided into a working part, a neck and a shank work section. The cutting part is the front, inverted cone of the working part. It can be seen that there are fewer cutting parts. The machining allowance is also small too. At the rear is the calibration section. The angle between the inverted cone and the axis is the dominant declination angle. 10度到15度 is the small entering angle. 45度 is the larger entering angle. The small entering angle is prone to vibration. The tip of the knife has good strength and heat. The large entering angle is reversed. Next we see the end face of the reamer. The number of reamer teeth is generally 4到12 teeth. Large diameter reamers take more teeth. Ductile materials take fewer teeth. Brittle materials take multiple teeth. For ease of measurement, the reamer is generally taken as an even number, in order to ensure the strength of the cutter teeth. Under the condition that the chip holding space is sufficient, select the number of teeth that you want to have, generally small or zero rake angle. Smaller rake angles or even zero rake angles. It can increase the strength of the blade, reduce cutting distortion, improve the accuracy and surface quality of the ream. The rear corners are also relatively small, generally between 6 to 8 度. A trailing angle that is too small will increase friction.